Hi everyone, welcome to GFA channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Telegram bot. Now, we create this bot to help all the stakeholders in your voting process. Who to vote and when to vote. So this Telegram bot actually will help you, will guide you who to vote and when to vote. Okay, let's get started. This is your channel ID, which is DDK voting list bot. So you can go to your Telegram, your desktop Telegram or your mobile Telegram, and search for DDK voting list. Or if you have this link, you can actually share. I mean, if you have this channel, you can actually share to anyone so that they can use this Telegram bot. So any stakeholders, you can send to them so they can actually use the Telegram bot in their voting process. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, once you get connected, go to start. So you can start. You can click the start button. So now you can start the board. Okay, so once you click start, you will receive welcome message and also the step by step how to use this board. All right. And next, then at the bottom you can see the 5 button, which is start, voting list, my vote, how to vote, and reset. So before you start your vote, first thing you must do is that you click reset. So once you click reset, the board will reply your setting have been cleared. So once you see this message replied, it means you have board already reset, so you can start using the board. Now first of all, go to your voting list. So in this voting list, we have displayed, we have list all your delegates. Okay, so you can go to next, look for search for all the delegates names in the list. Okay, so you can also go back, you can search for all your delegates names, right? So you see, we have two types of stakeholders who have already voted for delegates, and stakeholders who are very new. So anyone, I mean, even you are new or you have already voted, you can actually use this board. Okay. Now those people who have already voted for delegates, what they need to do is that they go to the your mainnet. So this is your mainnet, and then you can go to delegates. Okay, you go to your my votes. So here you can see the list of delegates, those you have already voted. So you have one, or probably you have two, or many, some of you maybe have 10. So look at the list. What you need to do is that you go back to the Telegram board, and then you choose the delegates that you have already voted. Now this is for those who have done the voting previously. Okay, so first, let's say for example, I've already voted for these delegates, so I choose them. Okay, I voted for these delegates, I choose them, I go back. Okay, so I have choose this. All right, and go next. Okay, these are the delegate that I have already voted. Okay, I choose them. Okay, assuming that these are the delegate that I have already voted, and this delegate's names already appeared in my mainnet under my vote. So what I do is that once I've selected all these names, I go and do vote. Click the vote buttons. So once you have clicked vote buttons, you come back to this main page where you can see the start, voting list, my vote, how to vote, and reset. All right. So once you have done that, go to your my vote list. So you can see those name that you have already voted. So this name and your list in your mainnet, the name appear here under my vote should be the same. Okay, so all the name list here and in your Telegram list should be the same. Okay, so once you have done this, then it means you have already have your clear, very clean voting list. All right, this is a very clean, means those people which have already voted will not appear in voting list. You can go to main menu, and then you can check your voting list. All right, so in this voting list you can see those people who have already voted will not be appear in here. So then for your next vote, you can actually follow the name appear in your voting list. Like for example, now my voting time. So what I do is that I click those people, I choose those people who I need to vote. So I follow what appear in the telegram. So you just need to follow the delegate's name in the voting list. All right, so I choose 3. In fact, you only can choose 3 maximum 3 names. So you choose the maximum 3 names. Once you choose the 3 names, you click vote. Okay, once you click vote, then once you see it's been to check if this name is being voted, you go to my vote. You can see all these names will appear here. All right, so this is it. You can see these names already appear here in list 4. So actually, why we move those delegates that we voted to my vote list is just to show you that these are the people that you have already voted. One, number two is that it will give you a what do you call the list of name that you need to vote if you open a new account. Let's say, for example, you already now you open a new account, so you actually follow the similar list that you have done before. All right, if you have opened a new account, so you can go and well, first 3 names you can choose list 1, the second 3 names you can use list 2, list 3, list 4, and so on. Okay, so you see, when you go to voting list, the voting list will also show you when is actually your last vote was second of and time. So this this vote also capture your voting date and time, and will tell you your next vote. Okay, this is your next vote on 9th, so it will tell you actually when is your next vote. So it will also give you a guide on when is your next vote. So you can actually come back again and check those people you have voted, and when is your next voting day. All right, so let's go back to main menu again. Okay, now I've already explained to you the voting list and also the my vote. Now in any case that you want to reset, okay, you want to go back to the original list, so what you need to do is that you just go back and reset the board. So once you reset the board, you see my vote. All right, so no, I mean the names will not appear because the names will reset back to the original. So all the uh, your voting list will have you know your what do you call that, the original names, the original list. So all these lists will be here. Okay, so and next is that how to vote. So here you actually can see this video we upload into your how to vote. So you can actually go to this video and check. I mean you can share to anyone, well, to share to anyone about this video. Okay, I hope that I have explained to you how to use this board. So enjoy using this board. Make sure you use this board and follow the voting process that we have set for you. And on behalf of JFE, we'd like to thank you for you using and supporting this